All right, we're back here. We just did system solve. Now I'm going to show you something else called numsolve. Essentially, they're just solving equations, especially literal, or not literal, but linear equations. So in our calculator, using this, I'm going to go back and clear this. Got memory cleared. I'm going to solve this problem. Now, obviously, we would just combine like terms, move your constant to the other side, then divide by whatever's left. But I'm going to show you a way of using your calculator to help you solve this. There's another button here called numsolve. It says right there, numsolve. It's where it says sign. Obviously, it says sin as well, but in the math world, that is sign. So we're going to press second, and then we're going to press numsolve. Once we press that, notice what comes up, an equal sign, and we have two different sides here. Well, hey, look what we have here, an equal sign and two different sides here. So we're going to put a 13 on the left side, and we're going to press the right arrow over to the other side, and we're going to plug everything in. -7, that's a -7. Here's the X button right here. It's next to the 4. You just press that X button, and an X pops up. And then you put -5 plus 4X. So notice it's all in there exactly the way it looks. From here, you're going to press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it's thinking, and it's telling you that the answer is -6. So the answer to this equation is x equals -6. That's how you would use numsolve. I'm going to show you, again, just another problem, another example of this. I'm going to press clear and on at the same time, so I can do memory clear. Press clear, I'm going to press second, numsolve. Again, here I've got, two sides of the equation. I've got 7 parentheses, and notice here it says in. Anytime you see a variable, all you're going to do is just plug in x. So instead of putting in, we're just going to put in x -6 in parentheses. Then we're going to press right and go to the other side, and then we're going to put in -98. So notice this should look exactly like this. And it does here, just other than the in. Obviously, we're going to use x instead of in. We're going to press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and our answer comes out to be -8. So you just write your answer as n equals -8. It's the same concept with any variable. We're just always going to use x when we're using our calculator. Hopefully this helped. Again, this is solving linear equations. You're going to use second numsolve in order to do that. Again, let me know what other videos you want to see to help you out in class. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll talk soon.